Queen. If you're already a subscriber, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be going over my haul from Publix and Walmart using the Ibotta app and all the other apps that I use like Saving Star, Checkout 51, and Fetch. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button in the bottom right hand corner and hit that notification tab so you'll be notified every time I post a video. I do post videos every other day roughly. I go to the different stores like Publix, I do Walmart, I do Dollar General, CVS, and of course Walgreens. So let's dive in. First, I want to go over what I got at Publix with the BOGOs on top of some Ibotta rebates and some coupons that we had, which made for some really good deals. So the first one I want to go over is on Go-Gurt. So these are the 8 count. This is on sale for $2.65 and they are BOGO. So you're going to go ahead and pick up 2. There was also a $1 off 2 from inserts of 8.11, I believe. So I went ahead and put that on it as well. So the total wound up being $1.65 for both. So these are perfect snacks, especially for the summer. Put them in the freezer and then you have some frozen yogurt treats. So that's a good deal there. The next deal I got is on Lance crackers. As you can see, I've already opened them and eaten them. I really like these crackers and I bring them to work as well. So these are BOGO. They are $3.49 each. So you're gonna go ahead and pick up 2. There was a $1 off 2 coupon that you could match with this. So it's gonna wind up being $2.49 for 2 boxes, or just $1.25 each, which is awesome. So I brought one of these to work as well. Hi. Say hi, Riley. Hi. That's it? Okay. This is Riley. Everyone say hi. Hi, Riley. Okay. The next deal I want to go over is Beneful dog food. So my dog doesn't use Beneful, but I'm going to go ahead and use this opportunity to donate them to the local shelters. So you're going to go ahead and pick up 2. They are the 3-pound bag. They are typically $6.29. What? Hungry? Okay, give me 1 second. So you're going to pick up 2 of those. You're going to use 2 of the $2 off 1 coupons. You can either print them from coupons.com or they came in the 8/18 inserts. So you can use those as well. However you want to get it, one of each. I printed mine from coupons.com because I accidentally threw them away from the newspaper. So the final price on that is going to be $1.99 for 2 bags of dog food, and those are the 3 pounds each. Okay, so now let's go ahead and dive into my Walmart haul. So for Walmart, I went ahead and got Emergency. This is the 10 count of 100 milligrams of vitamin C. These are great for whenever you're starting to feel sick. Have one of those. It's a ton of vitamin C, so that should help kick any cold. They are $4.47. You're going to use a $2 off coupon that is printed on coupons.com. Then you're going to pay $2.47 out of pocket. You're going to submit your receipt to Saving Star. Again, with Saving Star, make sure that you clip that coupon and activate it before you go shopping. It's one of the ones you have to be a little proactive about. So go ahead and clip that to your account and activate it before you go shopping. Then you're going to submit your receipt and get another $2 back. So the final price is going to be just 47 cents for this 10-pack of Emergency, which is a really great deal. The next thing I went ahead and did was I got Kleenex packs. So this deal, you may be able to replicate, you may not. And the reason being, the coupon I used technically shouldn't go with this, but I didn't realize it at the time. It said 75 cents off of a 3-pack of Kleenex, and this is each a 3-pack of Kleenex, but it was for the 30 count, not these. So it did work. The cashier put all the coupons in and put them all through and everything was fine. So the deal is, these are 97 cents each. These are great for back to school. Put them in your kids' backpacks, or if you want to leave them in the car, put one in your purse, whatever. They are, then you're going to use that 75 cents off each coupon, so then they're only 25 cents each. Then you're going to submit it on Ibotta for 50 cents back each. So you're going to wind up making money on these, 25 cents each. So not bad, they're free, and you're going to make 50 cents as well back when you submit it to Ibotta. The next deal I did is on Dove. This is the men's foaming body wash, extra fresh. It smells really good. I smelled it in the store too. Smells really manly. This is the 13.5 ounce to give you a good idea. So these are already on sale for $4.99. Typically they're like $5.69 or something. So they're already on sale for $4.99, which made this deal even better. So you're gonna use a $2 off one coupon from the 8/18 inserts in the newspaper. Then you're going to submit your receipt to Ibotta. You're gonna get $1.50 back. Then you're gonna also submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards, and you're going to get back 35 cents from there as well. So your final out-of-pocket cost is gonna be about $1, which is amazing, seeing as it started at $5.69. So I thought that was a really good deal there. The other additional deal I got, I just saw this in the store and I wanted to give it a shot. It's for removing some stains. There's a bunch of different varieties. This one is for ink, marker, and crayon. There's some for like rust and sweat and all this other kind of stuff. So depending on what kind of stains you have, you can get that one specific for you guys. They're all the same price, and you can submit any of the varieties to Ibotta for $1 back. So that's a good deal there. This Sunbelt Bakery, I really like their granola bars better than like the Chewy brand granola bars, because these I feel like are wetter, if that makes sense. I feel like the Chewy ones are kind of dry and eh. So I like these better. They have a couple different varieties. They have peanut butter chocolate chip, which I'm kind of bummed out that I didn't get. I got just the normal chocolate chip. But they are $2.38. Then you're going to submit it to Ibotta for $1 back. So it's going to wind up being $1.38. So it'll be $1.38 for this. You can submit them up to 5 times, so if you want to get a couple varieties, you can. These deals are also good if you're trying to get that Weekend Warrior bonus, or I think it's called Stock Up the Cupboard bonus. It goes for a month long. You have to do 30 different deals, and then you'll wind up getting an additional $10 back, which is great because if you're doing deals like this one where it only costs you 47 cents out of pocket, you can wind up making a ton of things actually free. So that's why it would be good to do these deals. Next deal is on Truvia. I did this deal in the past. It reset on my account, which is why I wanted to do it again. Like I mentioned in the past, if you do have some deals that you wind up getting things for free and it's product you're actually going to use or you're going to donate, you're not going to let it go to waste, you know, make sure you're doing their deals over and over. They reset on your account, I think, the next week. Don't quote me on that for Ibotta, but double check. And it'll let you know, it'll send you a notification when it does. I'll have links in the description as well as far as how to sign up for all of these apps and get different referral rewards from using my codes as well. So I'll put all my codes in the description box too. So for the Truvia, it is $3.47. There is a $2 off coupon that you can get emailed to you from Truvia.com. You just sign up, put your name and email address in, I think just a password, not too much information, and then they'll email you a coupon. Go ahead and print that out. That takes off $2, so you're gonna pay $1.47. Then you're gonna submit your receipt to Ibotta again, and you're gonna get back $1.50. So that winds up being free as well, and like a 3-cent moneymaker. So that's a good deal. I use these in my oatmeals and stuff to kind of keep it healthy, but make my oatmeal not taste like cardboard. So that's why I get that. So that's a really good deal as well. So those are all the deals that I did as far as using Ibotta, using Saving Star, using Fetch Rewards. Always make sure that you scan any receipts that you have to fetch. Typically like Home Depots and Lowe's aren't gonna work, but any grocery store, if you go to Aldi, if you go to Dollar General, if you go to Winn-Dixie, Publix, Walmart, you know, you name it, try to scan your receipt. All it's gonna tell you is no if it's a store that they don't take, but you can get points. The points come back for gift cards. I'm already up to like $50, so that's an extra $50 that I have that I can use just from saving things, saving money and buying things that I would buy anyways. So it really is easy. It's a really good deal. Definitely make sure that you guys download. If you guys do have any questions or anything, go ahead and drop a comment, and don't forget to subscribe.